Hello guys and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to check team accounts on Fiverr. So the first thing you have to do is log into your account and make sure you are in the selling mode. So because we have the two aspects, the seller and the buyer profile. So once you're on the seller profile, click on no click yes click on the growth and marketing section here, then scroll down and choose the team account option below. Now this team account would help you if you have a team to manage, or you have a small firm you want to create on Fiverr. You can do this. So there are various categories. So these three seats provides you membership for up to three members, you and two other members, and you paying $35 a month. And then 10 seats uh for you and up to nine members for $45. I mean, everybody wants to go for this because I mean, $10 for extra seven people. That's really crazy. So I'm sure this is their highest selling, which is a very good marketing strategy, by the way. But if you have more than that, you can go for the $95 a month um, option. So and they offer some plans alongside each of these team tier. So this one, the $35 a month offers an admin tools for the team owner, and then centralized team workspace, so everybody gets to see what each everybody is doing. And then it's basically the same thing. So just the amount of people that you can number of people, not amount, the number of people you can add that differs. So once you've chosen your uh team accounts option, you can continue to check out and pay for that. And that's just it, guys. So if you found this video helpful in any way, let me know in the comment section, and I would see you in the next one. Please subscribe, it really helps us grow.